Okay, so here I've got 2 packs of lightly salted tortilla chips, and then I got this hot salsa dip. Then I got this Red Leicester British grated Red Leicester cheese, smooth and nutty, yummy, yummy. I mainly got it because of the beautiful colorings. It'll make our cheese sauce look so nice. I've got this jar of jalapeños. Here's some grated cheese that I had at home anyway. Okay, for our cheesy dip, I've got about 400 ml of whole milk there. We've got 40 grams of plain flour right there. 40 grams of butter, unsalted. I'm gonna add like a pinch of salt, and I've got some cayenne chili pepper here that I'm gonna add to the cheesy dip as well. So what we're gonna do now is head on over to the cooker and prepare our cheesy nacho dip. Okay, so first of all, in a smally medium-y pan, turn it to a low heat. So I'm gonna turn it on and then turn it to a low heat. And then add in the butter and wait till it melts. Okay, once the butter's kind of melted and it's bubbling like that, add in the flour, and I'm just gonna get a whisk and whisk it really well. Make sure it's on a low heat, otherwise it will burn, guys. You don't want it to burn, you know. Oh, I love nachos. Oh, I love cheesy dip. Oh, I love food, mashallah. Alhamdulillah for food. Right, okay. Okay, that's fine. And now I'm gonna pour in the milk. And I'm gonna turn it to a high heat, so the highest heat. And I'm just gonna whisk it lightly for now, just so that it stirs evenly. And at regular intervals, just make sure you whisk it or stir it so that the plain flour and butter paste disperses evenly. So we're just going to wait till that comes to the boil, and you're going to see it start to thicken up. Just going to turn the heat down a bit. As you can see, it's thickening beautifully. Just whisk it well, make sure there's no lumps and bumps. So I'm going to add the cheese in, and I'm just going to keep adding it until I'm happy with like the consistency or like the colouring. So, oh, beautiful orange carrot colour. I think I need a spoon for this. This whisk is going to get stuck. So I've turned it down because it's come to the boil now. Oh, the knife's already. I need some more than that. And in this packet there's 250 grams. So probably add at least 100 gram, mate. Mashallah, so good. So it's completely on a low heat. You can even turn the heat off at this point, because obviously the sauce is warm enough so that when you put the cheese in, it's gonna melt anyway. It just smells so good. You know what? I think I might just be happy with that. The colour looks gorgeous. The consistency looks gorgeous. Mashallah. Perfect. The cheese is very salty. You don't need much salt. I'm just going to add like a pinch of salt. Just a tinsy-wincy bit of the cayenne pepper, because I don't want to kill my kids. There you go. That's that. I'm going to turn the heat off. And I think so. The cheesy dip is ready. So all that's left to do now is to put our nachos together. So let's pour a packet onto this plate. Wow, it's a lot of tortilla chips, mate. And then I'm going to add some of the salsa dip. Just kind of spread that over. Okay, and then I'm gonna plop on some jalapeños. I don't know how to say it properly. These gorgeous chilies right here. And next we're gonna add on the lovely cheesy dip. There's a little bit more left in the pan, I'll leave that there. Put a few more of the jalapeños on. And then I'm gonna pour on a bit of this grated cheese here. So just sprinkle, not pour it, so yeah, sprinkle on some of this grated cheese. Because we really need more cheese, don't we? It's not fattening enough as it is. There we have our gorgeous cheesy nachos.